This conference will now be recorded.
So initially I'll go through the custom layout training. So what is this syllabus? And before that, what topics we need to cover, and what are the projects, and what is layout. So before starting this course and syllabus, so you'll get to know what is the layout domain in the VLSI. So you might have heard what is the PD verification and what is layout. So in the VLSI industry, there are two domains you will find. So one is front end and back end. So VLSI is the boom industry. Means it is this industry, and many people are going to, and this is VLSI means EC people will be there. Some MTech people they will go for VLSI, like core industry. So many people are interested to come this field. Okay, so this front end and back end. So what is front end? Like you will see the software industry is like developer or testing. So developer is called like front end people or back end like tester. Similarly, in the front end and back end, so you will see there are many domain are there. One domain is digital, another is analog domain, memory, IO domain, standard cell. So these are the domain. In the chip will be a big chip. In that there will be digital part will be there, analog chip, memory part will be there, IO input and output, standard cell part will be there. So for digital, front end people will be called as RTL designer, and back end people is called as PD people, physical design engineer. For analog, it is called analog design people. And for backend, it is called analog layout. Okay, this is the analog layout part. And if you go for memory design, memory layout, IO design, IO layout, standard cell design, standard cell layout. And some people will confuse. In RTL, there is a verification guy is there. Those who do the verification for RTL, and they use Verilog code. So here verification people will be there. Whether the RTL, whatever the program they are writing, whether it is correct or not, that will verify it by certain script, like I told you one example, Verilog. For analog design, verification not right, they will do all the verification like simulation, all the analog layout people will do. Okay, so another for PD. So PD people, what is the work and analog layout? So this is almost similar to analog layout and PUD, or custom layout also same as PD. What is the extra thing they will do? They will do timing analysis. That is the main part. But they will not do verification. Verification means DRC, LVS. They will have some idea like PVS once. Okay, so we will not confuse. So PD people, they will analyze timing analysis. Timing means set of time, hold time, all these things will be done by PD people, or static time analysis, STA. But analog layout people, they will not do. Okay, some people are not understanding. Analog design. Analog layout. Okay, the industry having this field, digital analog. Okay, and if you see these two domain and another is the verification, there is three domain is consist of like 80% people are from this industry. 80% means the opening will be fine PD, AL, analog layout, or you can tell custom layout. Actually, the IO layout, custom layout combine of IO, some block standard cell, but memory layout is different engineer. Memory will not come under custom layout. That is different part. Even standard cell also depends upon some company, but mostly analog and IO layout done by the custom layout people. But analog layout is a separate thing. Wherever the analog blocks only there, their work only they will do analog blocks. Okay, because some people will be confused, so I'm just clarifying this doubt. What is the front end and back end? So RTL designer, understand this is PD, physical design, and the industry will be considered more opening in the PD analog design. The market is very strong in the analog layout and physical layout, physical design, and they will do extra thing. They will do digital part only, but whatever. Okay, I'll come to the work of this analog layout. Before that, what is the extra work I am telling? They will do timing analysis. And whatever the PD people, they will do verification engineer, that is called PV engineer, physical verification. PV engineer is physical verification. So what is physical verification? Whatever PV people they have done, whether it is correct or not, that will be verified by physical verification people. Okay, so I'm giving idea, but in analog layout, this verification done by analog layout people or custom layout people. Okay, in this area, anybody having doubt? Now come to what is, I'll morely focus on analog layout. Next come to what is the analog layout people will be. So if you see VLSI chip, full chip layout. So if you see this is the full chip. So, but full chip does not mean that only analog layout people is done. Some part will be certain area it is allocated area. So that is the main point. So for this full chip, certain area is done by analog layout people, certain area is done by digital people. They are floor plan routing. So what is the work? Okay. The next point will be come to what is the work of a layout people. So if you see, so you have, like you are making a house, so you have certain area. Area means you have x-axis certain, like you have purchased a flat and 1000 square foot. So it is like x-axis, it is hundreds. It is like 10. So if you multiply 100 square foot, it is 100 foot. Here, this is 10 foot, like that. So in this area, you have to do your house. So what you are making house means, so you have to hire a architect. So what you will give the plan. So if you make like this, the entry room. This is like a master bedroom. He given some idea. This is the balcony, and this is like TV set or some study room, like that. This is the arrangement. So this thing in the layout, it is called initially, it is called floor plan. Okay, this is the flow, layout flow. Next, whether this placement you will discuss with some people, like the architect people, they will scan to you, and you have finally, this is not a good. I'll this make balcony here. This balcony will come to here. This will be here, so that it will be looks good. Many you decided like this. This is the alternate. You discuss that it takes some time according to your best floor plan. That is called is placement. So once the placement is done, then come to you will start. This is the arrangement is done. Then you start the making your house. So you have to make like first floor. How do you make? You purchase brick, cement, rod, okay, and you connected by just brick you connected. So how this connection is done by called routing. Routing means the connection in the layout term. So once the routing is done, you will cover. So this is first floor is done. Then you go up second floor, third floor, like that you will plan. Okay, and whether this routing is correct or not, it will be checked by DRC. Design rule checks. So as per your technology, you will follow. Suppose here to here some minimum spacing if you maintain, that will be correct. You will not put directly blindly. As per the DRC, DRC means design rule check. Once the design rule check, LVS, layout versus schematic. So what is layout versus schematic? So you will compare with the front end people. So initially I give the example like analog design. Who is the front end people? Analog design. So you will compare. He given some schematic. So they will whatever their work is schematic. Other name is called schematic designer. And layout people work is there is a interlink between analog design and so you will compare whatever the layout you did, at last it will be compared. That is called layout versus schematic. So it should be pass. This is schematic design layout. So after comparison, so now come to the diagram. So what is the total 5 thing you have to do? So first is floor plan placement. Floor plan placement almost done, but I told you the best floor plan we are not supposed to change anything. Change means later we are not supposed to floor plan because whatever this is fixed only. Master bedroom you are fixing only. You are not changing every time. After you started this routing, you are not supposed to change placement again and again. Okay, this is just you can relate to how house you are making. This is like a cheap flow. So first is floor plan, second is placement, third is the routing, fourth is the DRC, DS design rule check, fifth is the LVS. This is the 5 thing you have to do. And this all thing is done by the PD people. This 2 thing is done by physical verification in the digital. This is not in the analog. So remember, extra whatever they do, timing analysis. So nowadays timing analysis they are separate, like ST engineer also doing, but mainly they are also doing same thing only. And what is the difference? They are using a script like TKL, but you will do the manual and everything you will do. So some people layout engineer can change to first they will prefer change to analog design, even they can use go for PD engineer. But this is not a, and package wise also same for PD and layout. Okay, so don't confuse. I will go for PD, but layout is little bit easy, and you will go for some circuit analysis. You have to know some basic of the circuit analysis. If you don't know, your background is not strong, even you can come this field. Like layman language, if you don't know anything also, you can learn layout anything. But here scripting language is required, mandatory. And so even this analog can, in our training institute will help you for analog design. So many student, many mean two student got, and last student got Samsung and Synopsys also, like analog design engineer. Now he is getting 16 lakh package. Actually, initially he got 6.5 lakh for 1 year. After that, they increased the permanent employee. From VLSI Guru, actually that company came to our institute. And Synopsys, one guy was got also as an analog application engineer. And layout people, last batch, if you see, there is like you can tell 95% placement. You can the but our student was 10 people was there the last batch. Out of these 7 people got Ultron or Capgemini. Okay, now come to our discussion. Front end, what is the workflow? I'll just write it again. I'm just concluding. So first point is floor plan. Second is placement. Routing. Fourth is DRC, LVS. Or these two are called verification. Verification means whatever you did, whether correct is not. That is the verification. So that's why it is called. It is the part of verification. DRC and LVS. So this is the 5 thing you have to do. So now how you do better things, so that you will learn here. So in the training institute, what you will learn? So how better means what is the difference between normal? You can and this floor plan. You will learn some technique. So what is the technique? When you cover the syllabus. Okay, next to our syllabus. So initially you will given some basic course, so like a device physics means you will learn about some network concept, PN junction like semiconductor, what is atom, some basic concepts. So that are this is like a revise. So then you will revise some layout concept, layout dependent effects, second order effect. Generally this is 2 month, 4 month they are writing, 2 month for basic and 4 month for advanced training. And this PPT also will share with you guys. So those who want, they can take. So KCL cable. So these are the topic initially will be covered. Then latch up. antenna effect. WP means well proximity effect. Is the what is the drawback in the layout? How to rectify in the initial design. So this thing will be covered initially. Length of diffusion, shallow trench isolation, finger multiplier concept. Then you know some KVL cases is already repeating. CMOS fabrication will cover. In the fabrication, you will got matching, ion implantation, diffusion. So all these things will be covered. Okay, so come to project. This is the basic what is CMOS. Okay, if I time permits, I'll give you some brief idea about what is CMOSFET. So all these things I will be cover. I'll give you some idea. Okay. So this is the emitter internal structure, its layout view, device physics. Device physics is what we will not cover. The PN junction diode. This is the for bias. This is the reverse bias. So what is the VI characteristics? Okay, this CMOS fabrication. How CMOS is forming. So these are the process. And what is stick diagram? Okay, so I'll give you just give few minutes. What's CMOS and what is stick diagram? So let's see. This is a inverter. This is called CMOS. So one is PMOS is combined with NMOS. So this is PMOS, this is NMOS. So what is PMOS? PMOS means, okay, I'll give you just idea about what is this MOSFET. You might, some people have not remember. I'm just revising in few minutes. Then I'll come. So MOSFET stands for metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So MOSFET generally 4 terminal and unipolar. So if you see BJT is a bipolar device, it is having unipolar and it is a voltage control device. So how it is called voltage control device? And it is high input impedance and MOSFET active component, MOSFET having 4 terminal gate, source, drain and bulk or otherwise body. So if you see how this MOSFET coming from, so it is come under family FET family, field effect transistor. So in this transistor family, one is junction JFET, another is MOSFET. Again, this MOSFET is divided into two types. One depletion type, one is enhancement type. This enhancement, okay, so depletion means your channel already there, but enhancement type channel is not there previously. You have to create manually channel. How manually? By controlling voltage. So if you see this MOSFET, if you relate it, how this MOSFET concept, if some people are not understanding, this MOSFET is coming from, if you use a tap, water tap. So if you see water tap, okay, let's see this diagram. Water is flowing from down. So this is the tap. So tap acts as a gate. Current is flowing from source to drain. See how current is flowing. This is the gate is controlling. So similarly here also, this is I'm telling about enhancement type. If you see the diagram, either PMOS or NMOS, this symbol means it is not electrically connected. Okay, you can take NMOS or drain. Let assume this is PMOS initially. This is the P. If it is bubble is there, that is called PMOS. PMOS, metal oxide semiconductor. So if you go to cross sectional view, you will understand metal oxide semiconductor. Before that, you understand four terminal. One is source, drain, body, another is gate. So gate is controlling this channel. Channel means if you apply it, so how it will be looks like cross sectional view. So this is your gate, source, let it drain. This is source. This is your body. Okay, so this is PMOS. So body will be P plus. P plus means doping concentration. Plus symbol is doping concentration high. You have two type of semiconductor. One is P type semiconductor and N type. If doping concentration high, the plus symbol will be there. So we'll come to this point later. Because this is a demo class, I cannot take everything. But I'll give you idea what is PMOS and NMOS. It's everything in the CMOS. Even you join in the PD course or any course you will join, that will be because VLSI means large scale industry. PMOS and NMOS will be compulsory. Like it is combination of CMOS devices. Your 90% will be CMOS. Okay. So now come to what is PMOS operation. So here in between, first understand definition metal oxide. So three layer will be there. So one is metal. This is assume this is metal. Metal, you know, it is a conductor. So this is metal. Or sometime poly will be that will become, but assume this is a gate drain source. This is oxide. This is semiconductor. Even metal also there some other field. For source drain also we need to connect outer world. Here also metal will be there. So metal oxide semiconductor. Oxide just a isolation layer. So it is a dielectric. So first you understand dielectric means it will not carry any current. It's an insulator. So metal insulator semiconductor you can tell. So three layer will be present. So instead of this, it is called metal oxide. Oxide will be there. So metal oxide semiconductor. MOS means metal oxide semiconductor. Either P for P channel, N for N channel, C for complementary. Latter will become for complete CMOS, but this is the example of a PMOS. And PMOS, its body is N-well, inside N-well, N-well is act as a body. It will be different potential. If it is P-type semiconductor, it will be N-type semiconductor. Now, if you apply, so how channel is not created? So if you apply negative voltage, so you know like magnet, north pole will attract south pole. So here after positive charges will be attracted. Like if it is 1000 number of electron are there, 10 number of hole are there. So this hole may be arranged in different ways. So you need some voltage, this channel will be created. So at particular voltage where channel will be created, like 10 voltage is deposit here. So what will happen? If any voltage you apply, it will be current will be start to flow. And this controlling, who is controlling? Gate only. Suppose at particular voltage the channel will be created, that voltage is called threshold voltage, PT. Okay, so this is just a giving idea. So no channel created, channel is created. So enhancement, no channel will be there, you will be created. So generally enhancement type, it is controlling, and if you see the diagram, this is a gate is controlling your water tap. This is example. So if you rotate this tap clockwise, it will be stop, water will not flow. If you anti-clockwise, water will be start to flow. This is just you can MOS example. So similarly, PMOS, which voltage you applied? Negative voltage, you can get vision. If you apply positive voltage, you will get. So generally digital, you are getting two potential. Binary. Binary means either 0 or 1. So negative is taken as 0, positive voltage 1. So if you see our example, if you are giving you 0 or 1. So if it is 0, your PMOS will be turned. If it is 1, see whichever not bubble is not there, NMOS will be turned. So this is V out, this is V in, this is VDD, this is VSS. So VSS voltage generally 0, VDD, let assume this is 5 volt. This voltage may be different. So chip will not carry like AC supply 230 volt in your supply. It is very less voltage only. Your chip application, you know, your Qualcomm Snapdragon, you are using 850i. Depends upon technology, like 7 nanometer, 8 nanometer. Chip application will be there, many application. Some image sensor, LDO, BGRs. Okay, so you will get to know that, but I'm just giving 5 volt it is. So when PMOS 0 it will be. So this is in this circuit, this is PMOS, another is NMOS. So PMOS plus NMOS, it is called CMOS. But always not correct. Complement means, okay, so how to prove it? So you are sending 0. So what is the output you are getting? So 0 means this one will be turned. So this is like, always remember, these are called switch. PMOS and NMOS, one type of switch. Like two switch, initially let assume this is open. I'm just taking the ideal case. You'll get VDD minus VT some voltage. So when 0 you are giving, this is on. This switch will be on. So now it will be closed. So what is the voltage you'll get? V out. VT equal to V out. So V out you will get 5 volt. So when you are giving 0. When you are giving 1, this will be open circuit and must will be turned on. How it is like. So V out equal to VSS voltage means 0. So V out you will get 0. So when you are sending 1, you are getting 0. When you are sending 0, you are getting 1. So this operation called, it's like a complement. 1 giving, you are getting 0. 0 being 1. So this so that's why it is called complementary CMOS. Anybody having doubt? Okay, so you will be learn this type of concept. Any devices you will be learned like that. Second, come to our syllabus. I'll show you the tool also next hour. What is the syllabus for project also? Then we will go for what is the tool. tool, which technology we are going to use, that also I'll show you. So I just describe the device. What is stick diagram? If you time permits, so I'll give you the idea. So this is a schematic layout view. Finally, it will be compared. It's like a flow. Like schematic designer, they will design schematic. Layout people will be design layout. Then finally, it will be compared. That is called verification result. This already I told you. This is just a layout of a VCO. So you will see this type of structure. So I will show you next. Some secondary effects. So this will be cover body effect, VT variation, leakage current, drain induced barrier layering. These are the new concept. FinFET will give you some idea. This tool will not support FinFET. So FinFET, remember, this is the DRC. I told you DRC when there are technology wise is there. Technology means, so there are in VLSI industry who is 90% is controlled by fab people. Fab means which company is fabrication company are there. One is company name is there, TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. Intel having there but very small. So these are called fab company. Fab means they will give you tool. They will tool access. Tool access means certain technology they have to follow. So like what is the which technology till now it is there? Like 3 nanometer, even 2 nanometer, there is the R&D process. 3 nanometer already fabrication done. 3, 5, 7, 10 nanometer, 14, 28 nanometer, 16 nanometer, 16. Okay, I'll write this point. So this nanometer means 10 to the minus 9. So if you understand, this is the poly length. Okay, some people do not understand what is this nanometer. This is poly or channel length. So this nanometer is design. So you will get 3 nanometer, 5 nanometer already there. 7 nanometer. We are going to learn you 28 nanometer. 40 nanometer is there. 45, 65, 90, 110, 180, 300. Texas they are using 300 nanometer. Still it is there. So there are different technology are there. Okay. So our design will be this one. 28 nanometer. In our tool will be support 28 nanometer to 32 also will support NEO, but 28 nanometer our technology. Next. So what are the project? So initially we'll given you standard cell project like AND NOR inverter also will become XOR. So these are the initial standard cell project. Then we'll go for current mirror, operational amplifier, op-amp, D-flop, then level shifter, LDO low dropout. Then next we will go for BGR band gap reference. Then ADC DAC. This is memory project. 1, 2 project will be there for memory. And this will be go for ADC, analog to digital converter, digital to analog, PLL. Okay, so application low dropout, the output voltage will be low. So which circuit having giving output voltage low? There will be band gap reference means it is like a temperature. So if your chip will be operate like who is the low temperature in our industry, like Kashmir, whatever the if you see there the operation of the mobile phone, like chip we are using mobile phone. So whatever the performance will be there, even it is go to some high temperature like Mount Abu, some which area is more temperature. If you go to Sahara also, the temperature is high, but your performance will not be degraded. Means it will not be as per the performance. It will be operated. This is called BGR. And this is 2 RAM, static RAM, DRAM, random access memory. Its application memory pen drive. You're using PLL. So PLL generate for high frequency. In terms of giga for 5G operation, so that type of chip they are using PLL. Means which device it will be generate high frequency. ADC, when you convert to analog to digital signal, so that time we are going to ADC. DAC just opposite. SARTES serializer. It is mainly in the pen drive. Serializer to deserializer convert. It is like serializer, deserializer. VCU is the part of PLL, delay lagu. So these are the project will be share with you. Any doubt about this project? Any query? See, even 2-3 year experience people also, if you see, they are doing same project only. No extra project. Yeah, any query till now? Anybody having doubt? Any doubt? Next, I'll go to tool. Okay, so I'll just 2 minutes. You can just wait for 2 minutes. I'll join the tool.
Am I audible now? Yeah, so total 4 months is the course duration to complete the. There is an advanced batch. So all the project will be completed within 4 months. Even I will show you the a demo of the project. And in the weekdays also class will be there. 1 2 class for only lab class. For Saturday and Sunday will be class will be there. That is fixed. Another trainer will be help you for total process. But even I will take the theory and yeah, minimum 10 project. One guy will be you're added to 10 projects. Minimum, maximum 15. The minimum 10 project means any resume. Your resume is selected depends of the how project you are doing. So minimum 10 projects for which are the minimum requirement for any company. They are hiring means this project like PLL. So they will see this project that guy is done or not. So that project will be there. So that is compulsory project we will do first. Like as memory project. So that is mainly our hiring will be go for analog project only. Okay, so next I'll show you the tool. And this tool is supported 24 hours. So you will see this window initially. It's like a Linux command we are going to use. So we will given you when you join this. So no need to you ask to our institute. Vidya, you can take our recorded session. Our admin gives you the recorded session. So there are 2 3 recording classes are there. You can go through. So no need to worry about if you miss also. Okay, let's see. I show you the schematic. So you what you will do in the you will design the schematic also here. Okay, I'll do from scratch also. So how you want to do is that inverter. So initially how to design a inverter. So you will take you need a PMOS and NMOS. So PMOS having 40. 40 means 4 terminal. Its symbol. If you see the symbol, this is schematic we are designing. Now NMOS port. Whatever I do, is just now do the by using tool. This is if you press W, where will become? This is the connection. So next you have to give the pin name. So if it is P phase, pin will become. You can give the name. If you type out, automatically that pin will become. So this is the 4 pin that is not connected. So suppose this connection, okay, it is floating. This connection is done. So you can do check and save. It will show you this is blinking. Means it is not properly connected. So I will just connect it. Blinking means this is called error. I'll do it again also. So this is how you design a schematic. Then check and see now it is not blinking. If I click here, you can check and save. Okay, so this is 4 terminal source, drain, gate, this is body. This is done. Now its layout will start next. If you see nothing is there, so you do a PMOS layout. You might have seen somewhere you have to draw PMOS layout. So you will take that PMOS, I think so PMOS it will be there here. Here NMOS layout. So all are there, or you can take like this. Okay, so time being I will show you. And just undo it. So if you see this is PMOS and this is NMOS layout. Okay, now you will see some layer here basically. So this is what this layer. So before that, you need to learn about fabrication. So you will not understand fabrication will take itself 3 to 4 hours. But for time being, just give you an idea. This terminal is called source. This is called drain. This is your gate connection. Similarly here, source drain you can alternate any connection. This is gate. So body now missing is the body connection. So for body, P must mean annual is the body. So here go to create multiple path. Anyway, once you join the course, you will learn thing. This is annual body. So this is how you learn a body. Okay, for P sub you will learn P sub. P sub means P tab. So this is about source and body. So now next, how we will be arranged? You will learn a DRC whether it is correct or not. This is the DRC. You will check. I'll tell you the placement. This is the fourth plan you did. Placement means whether after running DRC, whether this is correct or not. You will check. If you find any error, you have to clean that. Okay, let's run this DRC. Sorry, Yeah. Anybody is asking out? DRC means digit. So you will see these are the errors. So many errors are there. So which errors? How to clean this error also? Select one error. So minimum spacing to well to different potential 0.46. So I'll just highlight. So if you highlight, it will show you where it is this error is showing. Here to here 0.46 has been. But why you will make point even you align it will not ask you. Okay. So I need to de-highlight. For de-highlighting, quickly clear highlight. I will de-highlight this error. Okay, now if you see all are doing manually only. So this is now I just align this. Okay. If you see this error, I need to clean only this error. Enable to enable. Other error, if it is, this is how you will clean this error. Run DRC, you will see this error will be not there. This is how easy to learn. Layout will be very easy, but what you are telling, you need to know some concept about network analysis. So now, if you see, go to error, this annual error is not there. This is a different error. So like that, you can click in one error. Okay, suppose I'll give you more some difficult block. Okay, this is already layout block. This small is a very small block only. Let I'll show you one big block. So whatever the block you did, this is PLL. This much block is there. If you want to run For running, it will take time. So if you see the PLL schematic, the only this is your scene. If you go to inside, so there are subblock. If you complete one block, is another subblock. You go inside another subblock. See, first you complete this one, then go to back, then back. So this is how many stages. Okay, so these are the challenging concept until. But anyhow, these are easy only if you know. So here you will learn layout technique. Suppose you want to copy. Okay, so one thing I'll show you now. And how to layout become easier. This is you need to copy 100 times. How will copy? F3 will place. I'll just type it 100. Okay, you can type hide. See, 100 time automatic come. So how much time? Only 1 second you can copy 100 years. This is the one layout technique. You want some how much distance? You have to align all together. That also you can do. Align means it will be nearer by equal distance. So you will give pitch 0. It will be as per your pitch. It will be same. Okay, that is I'm not giving now. Okay, let us select all. As per you align, it will become. So now I share with. So this is the one example I gave. Second, which is layer is present. So this is the one example how quickly you can do. Suppose one device is present here. So distance is there. I need to layout advantage. How did you learn here? How trick means I need to this device exactly here. It should be aligned here. See how much time will take? Only 1 second I will align. I just select here. Not 1 second, it will take on 10. See, that device is come to here automatic. You can take any place here. Okay, so these are the technique you will learn. Next, suppose see these are not connected. So how will connect it? You will not draw. Yes, if you press yes, this is a bind key are there. Stretch. So I'm just stretching here. If it is not properly, I will go to inside. So it is now connected. Okay. You want to rotate. You can rotate this top into bottom. See, you can rotate like this. Okay. So this is the one example. Suppose you want to chop. I want to draw 15 metal. Okay, this is called metal. Metal means conductor. Conductor, like a example, this is aluminum wire. How it is connected? Your laptop wire. This is the conductor only. There inside wire is there. Similarly, chip connected by wire. This is one metal wire. Many metal will be fine. Suppose you have to draw 100 metal like this. So how will draw? Create bus. I'll type just 100. The width and spacing all should be same. All metal, if you see 100 metal extra. If you measure the spacing 0.00, whatever design you like that. So these are the technique you will learn. So that will be 10,000. So in the chip, I'll show you just initially I'll show you the chip sizes will be full chip. So you will find when 1 lakh devices are there. So you will do also very small time. See like that, the parallel size will be there, so converter is there, PCU will be there. These are done by digital people. PA, some different application, full chip layout. See, it is showing very small, but it will be inside will be 10,000. Like that, many devices will be there. So this is the TRC. You will learn LVS. Okay, I will show you one device. It's LVS, how it is clean. So it will be compared between LVS means layout versus schematic. It is showing L. If it is clean, it will not ask. Because these are the layout error. So if you see one click, so which error are there? If you click there, it will show you. So this is one error is there. N net 18, one error. So we will be press this net, it is highlighting all, but in schematic it will be highlighted. So here it is showing. So it will be see this net is highlighting. So you have to cross check whether this net is correct or not. Means enable pin is connected to these two P masks. So you will see and you will be clean that error. Okay, so if I show directly you not understand, but how it is clean one layout is LVS clean. I'll show you. You'll finally get this window. The LVS DRC should be passed. This is the main point. Layout engineers should be DRC and LVS passed. Yeah, so any other having doubt? So this is the thing you will do. Schematic will design, layout you will draw, I told you, and you will run DRC LVS, it should be pass and fail. So one technique how to clean the LVS we will be teach you. You'll find some error, so it will be clean. Anyhow, it will take time. So these are not as I need to from scratch only. I need to do. Okay. Yeah. So this is the flow. Yeah. So anybody having doubt? But I need to show any full DRC also. DRC clean you understand. You have to highlight and this is the anyhow will be teach you. No need to worry about this thing. This is the NOR gate schematic. Yeah. So anybody having doubt? The tool thing you don't need to worry because starting directly if I show it will just bounce. Means everything because DRC always it will be. But for this is just giving idea about how you are just okay. Anyhow, suppose I need to clean DRC and LVS. I just revising. This is measurement. Measurement means okay. So I'll just how to clean one DRC. I'll show you. Then I'll stop. Because some people are confusing means it will not good. Let's assume this one. I'll run DRC. Okay, if it is clean, you will see this error. It's already clean. I just to make this error, I'll just try M1. How you draw? Here window will become. This is a layout panel. I just try M1. Okay, enter. I'm just drawing. How to will be check? So this tool is automatically they will identify whether it is correct or not. So now you will find one error you will get. See one error it is showing. Go to DRC error. The new area, new spacing should be 0.05. If you highlight this, it will show you there wherever I draw. duration. Okay, exactly which area it is having. Okay, if you delete the run again, then not so. And DSLVs anybody can do, but you have to learn the technique, you how to do a better layout engineering. So for that, matching all these concept will be covered. Yeah. So anybody having doubt, or we can close. Any query?
No, Pradeep.
Sorry. Okay. So nobody having doubt, we can close the session. Yeah. Thank you all of you. All of you were happy new year.
Yes.